Kevin, we're at 1847 by DIY Party and Coffee Shop. Heinrich, what's going on today?
Hi Chaim. The goal of this DIY party is to help people that have a hard time holding down a job. We have the staff with the right knowledge and expertise to help them.
Okay, so what's this all about? I've seen this many times. I never went inside. I don't know what it is. Take me inside.
Come Chaim, let's go right in.
Wow, they do coffee also. Take me. Wow, a second. Wait a minute. This is a vibe. This is an ambience. You don't see this every day. Gorgeous, gorgeous vibe over here. DIY coffee. So Mazeh, what is this, Heinrich?
Here's a coffee for you.
Oh wow, oh wow.
The coffee is organic.
Oh, what the organic?
Organic, roasted, freshly brewed.
It was good.
With every flavor, every type of milk, vegan, almond, oat, as well as regular.
Nice. She has some pastries also over here?
Yes, the pastries are gluten-free, healthy, low fat, low calorie, double chocolate, carrot,
wow,
blueberry.
Double chocolate. What's nog doen off the menu?
We're gonna be bringing in eventually fraps as well as soft serve.
Wow, very cool. Soft serve. Kim de Zimmer yet? Dodom's in the mood of a good soft ice cream. Wow, so when you buy a coffee, a Danish, a frap, you said you're having soon the soft ice cream's coming, you're supporting the mission of the store. And you guys have a very powerful mission by having such amazing, amazing employees here.
Correct. Chaim, while you're sipping your coffee, let me show you our beautiful tablescape over here that we have.
So let me hear talk about your tablescapes and what's this all about?
Okay, so DIY parties, which is the original way we started out the shop, is a party rental. You do it yourself.
Do it yourself. So DIY stands for do it yourself.
Do it yourself party. So here's our different tablecloths that we have.
Beautiful, gorgeous, summer vibes.
Summer vibe.
Also, you keep on changing it with the seasons?
Goes with the trends.
Goes with the trend. The season comes,
every season.
Tablecloths change. Beautiful tablecloths here. Okay, so how does it work?
We have an inspiration for every week. Our dedicated employees create a new tablescape.
Every week there's a new tablescape?
Every week a new tablescape.
New settings, new everything? Get my cake, summer vibes coming up here.
Correct. With the training of our staff, they get it done.
Beautiful, wow. Eine macht eine Wachnacht, okay? If he calls a party planner, it's a minimum of $2,000, minimum, okay? If he does it himself, he can walk out with what, $200-$300?
Correct.
And he can have a
$30 a tablecloth, he brings it back dirty, he doesn't have to clean it, doesn't have to wash it.
$30 a tablecloth? Ik neem mijn tablecloth jetzt voor Shabbos.
Absolutely.
I don't have to wash it?
You don't have to wash it, you take it, bring it back dirty. Wow. And you're supporting our mission at the same time.
And you're supporting this mission of the store.
Correct.
That is amazing. So somebody's having a nice Balabatische Shabbos, he's inviting his in-laws and Shvei. Macht a shine Shabbos by him.
He wants the Shviga to be happy.
He wants the Shviga to be impressed.
So you tablecloth.
First of all, you pull a tablecloth over the shelf, pull two off. Let's say somebody has a big table. Looks gorgeous, this. So you have two of these? Let's say somebody has a very large table.
Absolutely, we have a big stock room downstairs.
So from each one you have a bunch?
Yes.
So let me verstehen. Ich mache a Shabbos Nachtsieder mit a Tuxida. I pull two tablecloths off. I bring it back Sunday dirty.
Filthy.
Charosis.
And our staff right over there in the machines will wash it.
So you have washing machines here in the back?
In-house.
In-house washing machines and you get it done. I love the concept. Lass mich sagen, ich will beziehen den Tisch ein bisschen mehr.
We have a beautiful centerpieces over here. All types of different colors.
Okay, look at this. Beautiful vases, flowers. This is I'll tell you why I'm going crazy over this. Because I made a seam not too long ago, and my wife was going crazy. How could you make it fancy? How could you make it nice to see him? Invited my parents, my shvei, the ganze. You think it's man see him. So I went to Amazing Savings, but they didn't have they had.
This is about what you want, Babatish. Yeah, this is Babatish.
You could set up your table like a royal king and support a mission, and the price is amazing.
Absolutely.
Wow! I love this concept, Kevin. All different types of centerpieces.
Chaim, I see you excited, but let me get even more excited over here. Look at our beautiful shelving. Wow. Flowers, centerpieces.
Look at these centerpieces. Look at these flowers. You could have a Sidikiad Melech, a Side Nacht.
Babatish.
With all these gorgeous centerpieces. And these are the shelving, right? If you want to have miniatures in your house.
They have them also in brass.
Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is really good. The washing machines where the girls wash the tablecloths are here. I love this concept. Heinrich, I'm blown away. What's it? This is the Hechsher, warte. Hirsch goes to the Hechsher over here, so the coffee station is on the Hechsher. Now we're going to very nice.
Chaim, another thing we do over here is the girls create beautiful
Aufschrift. Nice.
As well as custom graphics, Wachnacht and
Option. Wow, so you're saying for a Wachnacht and Option, they can make custom. The girls pack it, you come, you pick up a box.
Cheaper than if you do it yourself.
That's amazing. And what's this here?
Let's not forget, you do a beautiful Shabbos Sheva Bruchas or over if you want to impress a little bit the guest. They're coming from Lakewood, from Muncie, from Montreal. Here's a beautiful hostess package. Has a customized schedule in it. All the work is done for you. It's cheaper than if you do it yourself.
And when you pick it up, you know that you're doing a mission.
Supporting
a mission and you're helping the community. Wow. Beautiful hostess package, packed so nicely by these girls. It's going to fill them with a card you print out for them?
Custom
Card, a ganze invitation card of what the Shabbos plan is. This is something that, this blows me, okay?
Chaim, let me show you our beautiful stock room in the basement.
A stock room, nice. More flowers and these big white branches over here, more centerpieces over here, candelabras, flowers, kommt Schwiees jetzt. Wow, look at the stock room. This is gorgeous. Heinrich, this is gorgeous. All different types of centerpieces for every event you could think of. Tables, tablecloths.
Candle holders.
So neat. Candles, candle holders, alles aufgeset. You're doing an event, you want to support a mission, and walk out saving thousands of dollars. This is your one-stop shop. Kijk wie schijn de meidlich machen the organized over here. These girls do an amazing job. Very talented girls. Everything's folded. Everything's organized. Alles masidded. This doesn't take 1, 2, 3. They say shine masidded. Every style, every color. I'm halfway through this coffee. It's actually delicious. It's actually delicious, Heinrich. Very good.
Enjoy it.
So what's the hours of the store?
11 to 5, Monday through Thursday.
11 to 5, Monday through Thursday. That's when the girls are working here. And what's the phone number if somebody wants to reach out?
Phone number is 929-380-4593.
Chavre, call them if you have any questions, comments, or you want to make a nice purchase over here. This is a mission that together with you. This is a mission that we all understand. You know, it's not easy for people who don't have jobs. And over here, they open this door special to keep our community, the girls who need the jobs most employed in such a beautiful manner and state. I love this concept. The address is
4620 18th Avenue.
4620 18th Avenue.
Between 46 and 47.
In the Smetana from Borough Park, 18th Avenue over here.
Chaim, now that you know our concept of our business, if you or any of your followers know somebody that's looking for this type of enhanced employment, feel free to reach out.
Beautiful. Reach out to the number we put before on the screen.
I have big plans for next year to open a seminary. There'll be half of the day classes and the other half of the day vocational training.
Wow, so you plan on opening here a seminary as well?
In this place.
In this location, there'll be a seminary for girls that could use such a seminary that you're gonna have a half a day class and a half a day vocational training and work for us. This is something that's blowing my mind. Mika Amchi Yisroel. Heinrich, keep up your great work. Chavre, DIY 18th Avenue. Make sure to stop in here where when you buy a coffee, you're doing a mitzvah as well. And when you put in a tip, double dose. This is beautiful. Chavre,